What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. So today is Wednesday and I'm finally off work because I've been working. I worked Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then I got today off. And I don't know if I was just used to not like actually working, because you know how I told you guys I am a stay-home mom, or I was a stay-home mom, because I don't know. Anyways, I was used to being home, and even though you do a lot at home, now I have work and I still do a lot at home. So I don't know if that's what it is, but I've been feeling so drained these past days. Like, it's been weird. Like, I'm so tired, but it was like hard for me. It's hard for me every morning to get up, and usually I'm like up and I'm doing things and this and that, and now like I'm up and I'm like dreading to do things, and I'm like, ugh, I'm so tired. But anyways, I got the day off today, so right now it is currently 11 a.m. and we are ready to, we're just gonna go with my nephews and see what they're doing. And yeah, I decided to vlog today. I need to figure out what I'm gonna cook for my husband. And yeah.
Mommy, and your sister?
My sister?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, let's go see what Diego's doing. And yeah. So Diego's making popcorn.
I want to see one just go.
This is his second batch because obviously, if you can see, he burnt the first one.
Look.
Tell them why we're making popcorn right here. Keep mixing.
Wow, last time I was making chocolate covered Rice Krispies, and I put chocolate in a bowl. Okay, it wasn't a plastic one. Okay,
It was a regular bowl.
it was a
Oh, it's popping already.
It was a regular bowl that you can add in the microwave. So then our family was here in the living room, and then the microwave starts going crazy.
But it was just because the microwave is old now.
Yeah, it was old. And then it almost exploded and it got on fire for like 2 seconds. So now we don't have no microwave.
Mix it with the thing. Are you scared?
Oh,
TikTok live.
oh, dude, you saw that the man almost got on fire.
It did. Look at it.
Dude, it got on my hand. That was scary.
You have it too high, bájale.
You know, I'm recording this so you can come out on the news.
What?
The lady who burned down the house. So we just pulled up at Starbucks.
I got the whole damn menu. Oh shit.
And we got the last 2 cake pops for the 2 girls in the back. And we were literally waiting a long time because we wanted to find TikTok drinks that they find out in the secret menu.
You want to taste it?
Yeah. Oh, that's and then it has like an aftertaste,
Like a sweet. I like coffee though, that's why.
Okay, we're gonna get my tia real quick again. Isn't I don't know if it's called a. I don't think it's prank. It's just something real quick. So when she comes out, she's gonna come because she went back inside because she forgot something. So when she comes, I'm gonna hit the horn, and then it's gonna be super loud, and then I'm scared. So okay, I'm gonna put it right here. There.
Layla,
Go.
leave it right here, okay?
Oh damn it! Damn it! We didn't get it.
Okay guys, so we are going to make chicken sandwiches. I'm craving that sandwich from Popeyes, and I was looking on YouTube how to make the sauce. And then I just got these Tyson patties, and I'm gonna fry them a little bit just so they're crispy. And then I'm gonna make the sauce. And then I got these sweet buns, Hawaiian buns. So I'm gonna put these on the oil real fast. Some mayonnaise, and then you're gonna add ketchup. Oh, I did open it. So you add ketchup. Add also, it's at any type of hot sauce, but I'm doing this one because we like this one.
So you can use tapatio.
I don't know, any kind of hot sauce, that's what it said. And then you add a little bit of lemon. Then you add paprika to make it a little bit spicy. Then you add garlic salt. Then you add black pepper. Oh, whatever.
Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm done. Isn't that for eggs?
This?
You're gonna whisk
Yeah.
the eggs.
But they use this.
Yeah.
Whatever, I'm mixing, okay? Now it looks good. Actually, it looks like thousand kind of, huh?
Yeah.
You know the Thousand Island that they use on the...
Yeah.
It looks kind of bombish. The sauce is good. You guys need to try that sauce. Oh wait, I didn't want lettuce. Oh well. I want pickles.
You pickles over here?
And then my sandwich. I mean my patty. You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Daddy, I'm done.
Mmm.
Mommy, I'm done.
It's bomb.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want chicken nuggets?
It's actually really good.
Okay. Guys, so those chicken sandwiches were bomb. Like for reals, the sauce, oh my god, was amazing. And it's something super simple and super fast that you can make for your family or for even for yourself. I was telling my nephew that that sauce, you can use it like in anything, like chicken strips or even a sandwich. The sauce was bomb. But you guys should try it out. It was really good. And also stay tuned for my next video, guys. I am going to try to do a Selena look with my makeup that my husband gave me. And yeah, so stay tuned. So I'm getting ready to go to bed now. I need to wash my face and brush my teeth, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and also like and comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.